There's some whores in this house, for real. I said certified hands. Better ask the fans. Fat and scared.
It's LoveLee here, and I'm back with another video. So, you guys, today we're going to be doing a review on a hair that is called, I think it's Vanya hair. They reached out to me, so I'm going to be doing a review on their wig. It is a Brazilian curly wig. It's about 12 inches and also has curly bangs as well. So I did try to record this before, and I didn't like how the footage came out, so I'm doing it again, y'all. I'm doing it again, you know, working hard, trying. And I got the hair somewhere right here. It's in this bag. I already know what it looks like, y'all. I can't really do like a little unboxing with y'all, but you know, the packaging is really cute. It also came with like just a plastic, like a little giant Ziploc bag kind of, you know. But this is what the bag looks like, and this is the wig. They also had eyelashes in there, which I do have on right now, so this is how their eyelashes look. They're really cute. So this is the wig, you guys. It's a Brazilian curly 12-inch wig. It's just a regular wig. It's not lace front, frontal, all that, 360, none of that. It's just a regular wig because it does have bangs. So let's look at this cap construction. Okay, I'm not trying to open it up for y'all to see. So there's 2 combs on the sides and then one at the top. It also has an adjustable strap, and like I said, the construction is not like a lace. It's just a regular wig. So I'm going to take what I have off now, and then I'm going to put this wig on. I'll be back. Okay, y'all. So this is the wig. Ooh, I really like this wig. Like, it just looks like, hold on, let me make sure that no hairs are like tucked under. It really just looks like your natural hair. Like, what? Like, I ain't gotta deal with my actual natural hair. I just throw on a wig and just go. Like, literally, I just popped this on. I just popped this on and just did like this a couple of times, y'all. Like, I didn't even do anything. Like, this is really cute. Look at it. And I know some people would want to put like foam in it because they don't like it too poofy, but y'all, I would throw this on and go. This is cute. It's giving me, oh look, okay, so if I wanted to style it, or something, probably pin something back, push something here, tuck something there, I could probably do that. Oh my god, it's so cute. Look at this. Let me turn all the way around for you. I wonder if I go with my hat on. Let me see. I feel like it's gonna look crazy, y'all, but I'm gonna put my hat on the last little strip. Y'all, hold on. Okay, maybe I don't need to put on the last little strip. My head's small. It's not tight enough, y'all. This is cute. I might can't do this while I drive because I ain't gonna be able to see, but this is cute. What? Y'all, this is an Amazon-based company, and I like this wig. I've been really feeling the short, if you haven't noticed, I've been feeling the shortness of everything. I don't know why. Maybe it's because when I was in Cali, I was hot as hell with these long-ass wigs. But this, it's effortless. I don't have to do anything. You ain't got to do nothing. Y'all, if y'all go hit up Vanya and be like, hey, I want me this one, that one, that one. Ugh, oh my god, it's so beautiful. Okay, y'all. So this is the wig from Vanya here. It's an Amazon-based company, and why am I saying Amazon-based company? Whatever. But yeah, this is Vanya here. Go check them out on Amazon. All the specs, all the information will be in my description box, so go check them out, you guys. This wig is bomb. Okay, I just told y'all, I just threw it on my head. I didn't do anything. I didn't have to do anything. Like I said, if you like this poofy look, then girl, this wig is for you. This wig is for you. What? Ooh. Ah. Ooh. Ooh. I'm about to go take some pictures. And yeah, I'm gonna see y'all later. Okay, bye. Go check out Vanya here. Okay, go click the link in my description. Go click the link in my description for Vanya. Go click them. Go do that. Like right now. I mean, you can still have me talking in the background, but go do that right now. Did you do it? Oh, you ain't got premium? I cut off? Oh. Bye, y'all.
This tea, bitch, we all sip. Your husband, bitch, he dipped that house. You did not flip. YouTube need to get hit one sneeze. Yo, shirt.